Tarte has done it again with this trio. Tarte has simplified my makeup bag, and if you do not have these 3 products in your makeup bag, you should, and I'm going to link them below so you can grab it. Honestly, after applying some foundation and using these 3 products, I do not need anything else in my makeup routine. This is my favorite part, this Maracaju, if that's how you pronounce it, lip plumper, will change the whole image. Watch and see. It is so freaking pretty. I can't even take it. What do you think? I'm going to link it below just in case you love it too.